Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. I just wanted to make a quick video on how to create a discussion board thread. So I am in the discussion board. How I got there was from the home course menu. I clicked discussions. There it is. It's coming down. Here's discussion board number 1. So click on that. Then you want to create your thread. So your thread is your response. Okay, so it'll come up like this. Down here, let's just do my introduction. So excuse me, in this section is where you're going to want to upload your video, because you're going to create a video. I'm just going to pull a video from my YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little film icon, okay? If I'm in YouTube, I can copy the URL, and so right here I do, guess I better bring it over. So this screen will come up. Over here I will pull on the URL. So in my case, this is the YouTube video that I'm going to pull over. Once I have it copied, I hit the tab button. That tab button puts the YouTube video in there. I click insert, and then if I want to put anything down here, I can come here and hit this is my introductory video. I hit that, and then I hit submit. And voila, there is my post. So if you have any questions, let me know, but I'm here to help you. So I hope that helps. Thanks so much.